This cute and adorable goat is called myotonic goat, or also called a fainting goat, according to its unique behavior. However, this condition is not really fainting. It's just that this goat has a genetic disorder that causes muscles to stiffen and freeze when shocked. This condition is actually not dangerous for them. In fact, they are strong goats. Myotonic goats have the scientific name Capra aegagrus hircus, which means domestic goat or classified as a domestic goat. To get to know it more closely, below we have reviewed the facts about myotonic goats. A typical adult goat is about 17 to 25 inches tall and weighs about 60 to minus 174 pounds.